This week, we visited the Moosehorn Creek Riparian Enhancement section of our watershed near Norton, New Brunswick. The KWRC had previously done work at this site in collaboration with the landowner to help restore parts of the riverbank and to install electric fencing. The electric fencing was used to create a livestock exclusion zone along the water channels, as allowing livestock free access to riparian zones inevitably results in the destruction of riparian vegetation. Creating livestock exclusion zones helped to improve overall water quality, increase bank stability, and reduce E. coli and excess nutrient flow into streams. Additionally, exclusion zones help sustain a healthy and biodiverse ecosystem for aquatic life, and riparian vegetation offers shade to nearby streams, which help to buffer water temperature. With winter weather just around the corner, the KWRC decided to take down this electric fence to be reinstalled in the spring. Here you can see some of our staff hard at work. We hope you enjoyed this week's Watershed Walk. We'll see you next time.